Hey all! Today I'll be showing you how to make paper bracelet. This is Yamini and welcome to our channel Sparklebox. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, please go through it and I'm sure you must be loving our DIY content. So do click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos. Without further delay, let's get started with our today's DIY. We just need 3 materials to make this DIY and they are paper strips from origami sheets, scissors and Fevicol.
Take some colored paper strips. Apply Fevicol on the edges and paste the strips on it. Now, fold the strips alternatively on one another. Let's cut the extra part with a scissor. Take a small sheet of paper to make its belt. Put the belt inside the bracelet and it's ready.
Paper bracelet is ready. Is that simple? Give it a try yourself and share your work with us in Instagram by tagging us. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then,